Hi, my name's Emily Waite and I work at Microsoft, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the new Surface Go. It's part of the Surface family, so it embodies everything that you've come to expect from Surface in a tiny little package. We created Surface Go because our customers told us that they wanted a highly portable device without compromising on the power and capabilities of a full PC. And we deeply believe that students of all ages deserve a computer with no compromise. So here it is, the new Surface Go. The first thing you'll notice is it's really compact. At just 10 inches, it looks tiny in comparison to our Surface laptop at 13.5 inches. Being small makes it perfect for younger students. It weighs a little over 500 grams, so it's perfect for backpacks and to keep those students mobile throughout the day, moving between classes and learning environments. The next thing that you notice is that the device is highly versatile to any different learning environment. Surface Go can be used as a laptop, as a tablet, or down in canvas mode for drawing. And when it's paired with the Surface Pen, it's great for creating. And because we know that every child has their own personality, the type cover and Surface Pen come in a range of different colours. So first things first, security. Windows Hello uses your face to log in. How easy is that? No more, I've forgotten my password, and really easy way to get even the youngest of classes started quickly. So let's get into creating. Because Surface Go is a full computer, it can run all your desktop software as well as apps, all your favourite teaching and learning programs, as well as the business-ready desktop software that kids need in the future. As kids move into high school and then into the workforce, it's important that they have confidence to use the most widely used apps and platforms. With Surface Go, we also wanted to find ways to spark creativity in every lesson and in every learner. Through touch, inking, typing and the trackpad, opportunities are limitless for children to create. We've also kept the 5 megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video conferencing, as well as the infrared camera to enable that Windows Hello easy login. We have a rear-facing camera that's 8 megapixel that helps children take what they create in the digital world and augment the real world. I'm a big fan of inking in canvas mode. As a parent myself, I can see that it enables the very best creativity to come out in my children. They're able to do formulas, graphs, ideate and create very easily using their own handwriting. So the end of the school day is done, we pack our tiny little device into our backpack and there's still more battery power left for homework. With 9 hours battery charge, the Surface Go is designed to deliver a full day at school. As you'd expect at school, Surface Go plays well with others. Whether you're wirelessly connecting to a smart board, Bluetoothing to a monitor, or using peripherals and accessories via the USB-C port, the Surface Go can do it all. Plus, for IT managers, we've made it really simple to manage and deploy your devices. Surface Go is enabled by all the same trusted security that you get with a Windows PC. So Intune, Autopilot, and many of the modern management tools that have been built for education seamlessly integrate Go into your fleet. You can use trusted enterprise-grade dashboard and the industry-standard encryption to protect you and your students' data. So whether you're a teacher looking to drive learning outcomes, or an IT manager looking to simplify your device fleet management, or a principal looking to future-ready your school, Microsoft Surface Go is the best in class. We encourage you to take a closer look.